In this video, let's talk about if it's possible for you to install Odoo 18 on Windows 11. Just a heads up, as of now, May 2025, Odoo 18 has not been officially released. The latest official stable release is Odoo 17, which came out in October 2023. Odoo generally releases a new version once per year, and it's usually in the fall. But what you can do right now is you can install the latest stable Odoo 17 on Windows 11 with the official all-in-one installer. So first is download installer, go to its official website and choose Windows version. Then run the installer. Just follow the installation prompt. After that, you can now access Odoo. Open it in a browser to set up your first database. But there's option 2 that you can do. However, this is only if you are a developer or tester. If you're trying to test Odoo 18 Alpha, Beta, Dev versions from GitHub, install these dependencies. Then clone the Odoo repo. Then set up a Python virtual environment and install requirements. Then run Odoo. Keep in mind that this is only recommended for advanced users and developers.